Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and in today's video we're doing a haul of some of the items I picked up from Bath and Body Works when it was having their single wick candles on sale. So I got quite a few of their single wicks. So let's just jump in and let me show you the ones that I got. Some of these I was surprised to see in a single wick, but if you like content like this, be sure you are subscribed to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Other than that, let's get started. Like I said, some of these, I was super shocked to see that they had them in candles. So they brought some of the luxury collection in candle form. I know. I was like, what? So I got quite a few of them because I wanted to see what they smelled like in candle forms. Yeah, all these ones here that are from the luxury line, they don't have Bath and Body Works or White Barn stamped on them. They just have a silver lid on them. So let me put all those together. All right, so yeah, these ones I was super shocked to see. So let me go ahead and get these other ones out the way real quick. So I got two from, it's from the Bath and Body Works side, and they both have these like a fire burning on some wood type scenery going on with a starry night and some trees in the background. But this one is Sunrise Woods, and this one is Champagne Apple and Honey. Now let's start with the Champagne Apple and Honey one. I told you guys before that I was not really feeling this Champagne Apple and Honey body mist. Now it has been growing on me as we're getting more into the fall season. So I think it was more so what season I was wearing it in that I didn't care for. And it could be that the scent notes have changed also as it has sat. But anyways, I told you that I thought that I would prefer that one in candle or room spray or wallflower. So I decided to go ahead and get it in this single wick. Of course, if you don't remember the notes for this one, it has crisp apple, sparkling champagne, and jasmine honey. So that is the first one I got here. And the other one is one of the ones that they tend to release in the fall time. I got it in the sprays. This was my first year ever testing this scent. So Sunrise Woods. I love it in body mist. Creamy sandalwood, sweet berries, and cozy cashmere. Yeah. So I got this one. So did I show you what the other one looked like? The other one just had an apple with the wilderness kind of scene in the background. And this one is like a lantern scenery in the background as well. So that is the two that had that lid. And then I got a few from the White Barn collection. I know that I love these two, Lavender Vanilla and Sun Drenched Linen. So this is a replacement. I burnt the two smaller single wicks I had in this one already up. So I just replaced this one. So this is a repurchase of the Lavender Blossom, Creamy Vanilla, White Woods, and Sugar Musk. I know I love that one. And Sun Drenched Linen. I typically get this one in the wallflower. So I believe this is my first time trying it in candle form. But this one has clean, cool linen, crisp tart apple, and soft musk. So we're going to try that one out this time in candle form. Sugared Lemon Zest is another one that I've had in candle that I absolutely love from the White Barn collection. Like I said, these are all the White Barns. This is tangy Sorrento lemon, bright lemon zest, and fresh sugar cane. This is gorgeous. I love this scent. So that is that one. And then Cactus Blossom. I think I got this one in a 3-wick as well. I'm not sure. I know I've seen this scent. I don't think I got it in wallflower, so I might have it in a 3-wick as well. But this one is the one that is Desert Cactus Flower Petals, fresh sparkling citrus, warm vanilla coconut. This one smells gorgeous. So that's Cactus Blossom. Now the other three say they are specifically from Bath and Body Works section. This one is sweater weather. So I told you guys before in another video, this is something that I know my sister, one of my sisters is absolutely in love with. This is my first year trying it in the body care. I got the mist and the body lotion in it, body cream in it. And so I'm gonna try it in the candle as well. Don't know how I feel about the scent yet. I haven't sprayed it on me yet. I am testing things out. But this one has the fresh sage, juniper berries, aromatic eucalyptus, and fresh woods. So I will see what I think about it once it's done. The other one was another one that was released in the body care. This is Autumn Drive. So we got the Sunrise Woods. I know I fell in love with Autumn Drive. So we'll see how I like it in candle. I might prefer it in body care. But this is Wild Raspberry, Warm Amber, and Vanilla Birch. And the last one from this was the other one they released in their fall collection, which was Book Loft. And Book Loft, it says pick your favorite book with notes of crisp bergamot, woods, and a warm blanket. That's what this one is. So we're going to see how this burns. I'm curious. I'm so curious to see what this is going to burn like. But did I even show you guys the candles for? So that was Sweater Weather up close. That's how it looks. I think the decoration they put on there, the packaging is gorgeous on these. Very fall appropriate. And then Book Loft has the books all around it. And this one covers all the way around the candle. So they really put a lot of thought into this one. All right, so now let's get to the other ones. These, like I said, all are part of the luxury collection. And none of them say, has nothing stamped on them. It's just plain silver top. But this is covered in roses. So covered in roses. They all have this similar packaging here, except the one that's not a luxury. So I'll share that in a second. But this one is ruby berries, sugared rosebuds, and blush amber. So that is that one. I do smell that scent. This other one was the other one that I said that was not the luxuries. But it came in the same tin lid like this one. But it's Into the Night, which is another popular fragrance for this time of year. And this one says Raspberry Noir, Velvety Rose Petals, and Mocha Musk. It smells just like it. So I'm curious to see what it's going to burn like. I am super interested in how all these ones I'm showing you now is going to smell, because most of these I love in the spray form. So I'm curious how they're going to smell in candle form. Pink Obsessed is this one. Pink Obsessed is the one that has blush and jasmine, cashmere praline, and vanilla bourbon. All right. Interesting. Inner Angel. Yes, they did it. Inner Angel. So Inner Angel is their new luxury scent they released this year. And they did it in candle form. This is spiced apple, cognac, tonka bean, and warm praline. It smells gorgeous in this candle. We'll see how it burns. Another one that was released this year, they did in candle form, is Free as a Flower. So Free as a Flower has wild orange flower, bright lavender, and creamy vetiver. So we'll see. I don't smell much off of this one, so we'll see how it burns. The other one they did was Mediterranean Mirage. This also was released this year as part of their luxuries collection. So they did a candle in this one as well. And this is Fresh Bergamot, Radiant Amber, and Smooth Musk. I love this in the spray. I had this on my September tray, the body mist, and loved it. So I'm super curious how this is going to burn candle-wise. And then last but not least, this one was released, I think this last go around, or maybe the other collection that was before this one. The Midnight Edition. So Midnight Edition. This is ripe plum, rich almond flour, and addictive coffee bean. Okay. So like I said, super curious to see how all of these are going to burn. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 16 single wicks I got during that sale. So we are going to see. And you know, I'm finding that I think I love the single wicks more because I have my wildflowers in, you know, the different rooms and different things. I think candle wise, especially during the hotter times, I think I am appreciating more of the single wicks than the 3 wicks. Now, I still have several 3 wicks, so it's not like I would prefer to buy one over the other, but I find myself during the hotter months preferring to burn the single wicks versus the 3 wicks. Do you guys do the same thing? Because I know it probably depends on the climate, because if I've lived more in a colder climate, I think that I will tend to love to burn the 3 wick more because it'd be cooler. But since I live where it's more hotter, I think I prefer just to use my room sprays and to use my wallflowers. And I tend to lean more towards my 3 wick candles versus the 3 wick candles. But tell me what are you the same way? I want to know. Are you the same way? Do you do the same thing? I don't know. But that's everything for this haul that I did from the 1 wick candles from Bath and Body Works. Tell me what you think about my picks. Were you super excited to see some of these? Did you pick up any of them? Or were you curious about them? Did you know that they released some of these in the luxury lines in candle? Because I had no idea. When I saw it online, I was like, add to cart. I want to try you out and see what I think. But other than that, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.